What's up, guys? Today I am going to show you how I cook the real Jamaican curry goat. Yeah, man, yard style curry goat. A lot of people know Jamaicans because of curry goat. So today, me I go shell it down in the kitchen and show you step by step how me do this curry goat. So let's hop over to the kitchen and show you some real yard style curry goat. So yes, here are the mutton. This is about 15 pound of mutton I bought. So I am going to clean up some of them fat. See me start clean it up already. Clean up the fat, cut off some of the excessive fat off of it. I mean, you gotta try your best to remove as much as possible. So just showing you what I did already, and I'm going to try and cut it a little smaller. So these are the fat that I already cut off of the ones them that you see how much fat come off of that? That is like less than 4 pounds, and look how much fat come off of it already. So it's fatty. You know, sometimes I go restaurant and buy the goat and see them excessive fat upon it. It's too much fat. That can't good for you. So just I try to show you. Just a little piece of fat there, just a little piece on the one here. And if it look too big and it can't cut, you cut them. Clean up it as best possible. Get rid of the fat. Too much fat, man. So when you put it all in the pot, if you cook it, the amount of oil where you get off of this meat. So you definitely have to clean it up and cut with some of the fat, because them oil they go sit down on your stomach, you know, man. So you definitely have to clean up the fat off of it. That's why sometimes when I bother to buy certain things a road, you know, because
so what I am going to use for the curry goat.
Alright, so here comes the seasoning that we're going to use. I'm going to use some curry.
This is better pack curry from Jamaica.
Better pack curry that from down a yard.
I am going to use
need 2 onions.
I am going to use a little
piece of ginger. Some scallion. Some thyme.
A little thyme.
1 bell pepper.
2 garlic.
2 ox of garlic. As we say, 15 pound I season up. Maggi all-purpose. I don't cook meat without this. Pimento seed. That is the name.
I am going to blend. I am going to clean up, wash these.
I'm going to wash them season here now. And then I wash off my curry goat.
Strip the onions,
and make the curry
garlic.
Drain off a little in the strainer.
Strip them.
After I wash them, it, just put it in a one strain pan and make the water, excessive water run out of the meat. So see all of my seasoning here, well clean up. What I'm going to do is put it in the blender and blend it. Blend all of them seasoning in the blender, and then I'm going to pour it on the meat. Meat wash and dry. You know, so there you have it. So after you blend up them seasoning, you add your you add your Maggi all-purpose, your curry, little salt.
2 tablespoons of Maggi all-purpose.
When you rub up this
1
now,
tablespoon of salt.
I'm going to use a spoon, guys.
And this
is
the blend of
because I have to hold the phone.
Onion, the bell pepper, the pimento, scallion, thyme,
but I'm going to rub it up nicely
and what?
and make you see
how I rub it up.
I'm going to rub it up, but I'm going to use this
every
spoon.
meat get
Normally
some
I use my
seasoning.
hand, but I don't have the gloves right now. So what I'm going to do is just use the spoon
and you season up your meat.
and make sure I mix
it.
Everything
Massage
in.
your meat so you can get to marinate.
Guys, I've been using the phone.
Season
I've been holding the
meat.
camera. I'm just using one
And you
hand. So I'm
season
going
the
to
meat,
just put it down
massage.
and rub it up, and then you
So you
see
have to get
what
down
it
in
looks
it.
like when I'm finished. Okay.
So I'm just use the spoon for now because I have the phone in my left hand.
Perfect.
I should have set it up on a tripod.
This could spring
So you see that all that excessive fat when we get off of the
these things not supposed
when we get off of
you
the thing, Bridget.
Fat.
Them fat, they're too much fat,
Oil.
man. So alright, see it here now, season it up.
There you go.
And next thing I'm gonna do is put in a bag because this now cook tonight.
Put it hold in the fridge tomorrow because I don't have a lot of space.
So
I am going to
put it in a bag and
put
then
it in the fridge until
fridge.
tomorrow before I cook
And
this
then
cook. So it's gonna be well soaked.
Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna cook it.
Here is the mutton.
See it here, guys. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge now, and then
I'm going to put
the
it
video
in the
done
fridge.
for today.
As you can see, to make space
And
in
then
my
I'm gonna
fridge,
show you the
this is
next
the
video
meat, and
now.
you put
Then
them
start
back in
cooking
Ziploc
tomorrow.
bags. Whether fish, chicken, anything.
Some season up
I
fish
have
too,
to
you know,
make that
guys.
space.
Yeah, cook fish too. Alright, so this is tomorrow morning now when I cook this curry goat. So first I make the pot well hot. I'm gonna put no oil in the pot. No oil because you don't know the meat done full of oil already, so it are gonna spring it one oil. So I'm just keep turning it at the pot well hot and just then turn it, give it like a time, you know, and keep turning it, make everything kind of get in at the bottom of the pot and kind of get the steam where come up from under the pot bottom. Cover it up, left it make it simmer. In another 10-15 minutes, go back in there, see it there? 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, you go back in there, and that's it. You see that? I oil that from the pot, you know, from the top there, so you know, no water, you know, come and put no water in this yet, you know. No water no go in there. So, what I'm gonna do now is turn it up, and when it dry, I'm gonna throw off some of the excessive oil off of it. Some people say, no, you throw off the taste. No. That's how you're going to cut up a little more ground season, put in there, and cook it up. Sometimes I don't bother put no seasoning in there, and it still tastes good. You can add a little more Maggi all-purpose in it, and if it want a little more salt, you can put a little more salt. So, I'm not throw off the oil yet, I kind of want it go back but dry down a little bit more. Cook up and dry down a little bit more. Maybe I'll watch it, but I'm ready for eat so. So I just make it go on simmer. You know? Add a little water and then make it go on simmer. Everybody on different still. Because we just season up the goat and cook it right away and it still tastes the same. So it depends. But you know, like seasoning meat from overnight sometimes still. So I make it dry down. Suck out some of the oil out there. So we see how the goat look in a couple minutes, guys. Turn up to the gungo rice and peas there. Yoo-hoo! You don't want to stop eat it, man. The gungo rice and peas with the curry goat is bad. When me say bad, I mean bad. It's a good look on it. See it has dried out? You don't really have no whole oil still, you know. But we still have to try kind little chua, guys. I don't like oil for oil in my meat, but I'm not putting no oil in my pot. I don't know what's wrong. Now watch it to see how much it spring up oil. See what we can get. Yes! Curry goat look delicious. So take a good look on it, guys, and tell me what you think. Let me know in the comment section who can cook curry goat. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the curry goat. How it look. Better pack curry from Jamaica. Boy, I can't do without it. But after my auntie sent up the better pack curry for me. She mailed it through the mail. So I have it for cook with, because I don't like cook without better pack. Better pack are the boss. Are the boss in a curry. I go all about a look curry. I see better pack here in the States, but it's not the same because it look whiter. It's whiter than the one where them have a Jamaica. I think somebody here have a better pack brand, you know. So I don't really like it still. It make me meat look white. So you know, add some water. Normally I add warm water so it cook look quicker. But right now I use cold water. So you will see the gungo rice and peas look more with the curry goat. Yeah man. Yes, so nice. Yes, so nice. Yep, yep, yep. So now I'm gonna add some fresh seasoning in the pot. See me? See it there? I eat that. Add some white potato, a little white potato, with some fresh ground seasoning and carrots. And I eat that. Just make it cook down and simmer. This goat ready for eating, man. The goat look like it could have eat long time, man. Long time, but it just ready still. So tell me, guys, if you don't like this video, leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like the video. If you want some help on the curry goat, let me know. And holla at me, cause me will help you, tell you how to cook the curry goat. I'm gonna list some things in the description about the curry goat. So let me know, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, you should try this awesome barbecue sauce. I gotta tell ya, it's awesome. Even if you didn't try it yet, you should try it anyway. It even will brighten up your day. I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below, and make sure you guys try it. Hey, I gotta say, you guys should buy it.
Eat my food from Saturday, yeah? Get a party.